everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be testing out this hot foil pen kit from xTools, and this is specifically made for the M1 Ultra. So you will need a M1 Ultra from xTools. Let's take a quick look at the contents of the box here. Okay, so got some what looks like strips of stickers. This is a positioning guide and some foil paper. Here are some instructions on how to do the installation. And here are the various pieces. And this is the hot foil pen itself. So here are the contents of this kit. We have our main unit. We have a bold hot foil pen tip, a regular tip, and a thin tip. Let's go ahead and install it. So we're going to loosen up these screws first. And we're going to put it right here. Now we're going to tighten the screws. And we want to make sure it doesn't get caught in the machine. Now we're going to install the pen. Lock it in like this. Make sure this button is facing the front. I'm going to take this little knock here and hook it into this section. Here we're going to put the rest of the cable on the back side of the hook. Here's the positioning guide. I'm going to put it right here. And we're going to attach one of these hooks. And pop in the cable. And this plugs in here. And we're done. And here's the final setup. We have the pen attachment here. We have our cable running to the edges here. There's a little hook, and the cable connects to the front side of the machine. Here, we're going to push this button to turn it on. You can see it light up, and this will be off. Make sure to not touch the tip because it's very, very hot. And we can put this back in if we like. We're also going to load our material. I'm going to use a mat board, which is similar to cardboard. You want to stick it down and make sure it can't move. Let's place a piece of foil on top and tape it down with the provided sticker strips. On the XCS software from xTool, we're going to prepare our image. Here we're going to select hot foil pen. I believe this only shows up when the pen cable is connected. Under materials, we're going to select craft paper. Let's select the snake image. The pen tip here is going to be regular, and we're going to select line transfer to only draw the lines. For the text, we're going to select fill transfer so that the entire name is filled in. Once that's all done, let's go to process and start the machine. As you can see here, it's going to take about 6 minutes. All right, here we go. So this is at a 3x speed. And we're done. Oh wow, look. The foil looks so cool. Let's peel off the foil and take a look. And here it is. Oh my goodness. This looks so, so good. So here is an up-close look. As you can see, it is totally smooth and completely filled in. Don't see any gaps here. And the lines are actually very fine. So you can actually see 2 layers of lines here on the snake. That is so, so cool. And it's so easy too. This literally took about 2 minutes to set up and only 6 minutes to print. Alright everyone, this was such a fun project and so easy too. Setting up the pen was really easy. It took about 2 minutes. And now that we have everything in place, I think it'll be even faster next time. Probably just be a 30-second to hook in the pen and also the cables. So what do you think? Do you like this project? I think we can do so much with this. The next thing I want to do is test this on wood. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!